Imagine your investments growing on autopilot, without lifting a finger, no trades, no stress, just pure compounding magic. But what if I told you most investors are missing this one simple trick that's turned modest portfolios into fortunes? Stick around, it could change your financial future forever. Welcome to the world of smart investing. Today we're demystifying DRIP, that's Dividend Reinvestment Plans, for the uninitiated. If you've ever wondered how the wealthy get wealthier without constant tinkering, DRIP is your answer. It's not some flashy scheme. It's a quiet powerhouse that's been building empires since the 1960s. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it works, and how to switch it on in your own portfolio. Let's break it down simply. When you own dividend-paying stocks, think blue-chip giants like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, companies reward you quarterly with a slice of their profits. That's your dividend check, typically 2 to 5% of your investment's value. Now, here's the genius. Instead of cashing that check and spending it on coffee, DRIP automatically reinvests it. Your broker buys more shares of the same stock, fractions if needed, right then and there. No fees, no fuss. Over time, compounding kicks in. Those new shares spit out their own dividends, which buy even more shares. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering size with every turn. Picture this. $10,000 invested in a 4% dividend stock with DRIP could grow to over $22,000 in 10 years, purely from reinvestment, assuming steady growth. Without it, you'd be lucky to hit $15,000. Why bother? First, the power of compounding. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. DRIP harnesses it effortlessly, turning small drips into a deluge of wealth. Second, tax perks in many places. Reinvested dividends often defer taxes until you sell, letting your money work harder longer. In the UK, for instance, they're treated as income, but can sit in tax-advantaged accounts like ISAs. Third, diversification on autopilot. Many DRIPs let you pool dividends across a basket of stocks, spreading risk without extra effort. Real talk, Warren Buffett swears by this. His Berkshire Hathaway empire built on reinvesting earnings. Studies from Vanguard show DRIP users outperform non-users by 1–2% annually over decades. That's the difference between retiring comfortably or scraping by. Setting it up? Easier than brewing a cuppa. Here's your 3-step blueprint. Step 1. Choose dividend aristocrats. Stocks with 25+ years of rising payouts. Use tools like dividend.com to scout them. Step 2. Log into your brokerage app, whether it's Fidelity, Vanguard, or a UK platform like AJ Bell. Head to account settings, find dividend reinvestment, and toggle it on. Most are free, some charge a pittance. Step 3. Sit back. Your dividends will auto-reinvest starting next payout. Pro tip, start small, monitor quarterly, and pair with index funds for balance. One caveat, not all stocks offer DRIPs. Check your broker's list. And if markets dip, reinvestments buy cheaper shares, supercharging your rebound. There you have it. DRIP, the understated hero of long-term investing. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich steady. If you're serious about building wealth that lasts, flip that reinvestment switch today. What's your first DRIP stock? Drop it in the comments below. Let's build a community of savvy investors. Hit like if this sparked an idea, subscribe for more no-nonsense finance tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers to compounding.
your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.